make up my bus driving time. The school's on a 2-hour delay. So it don't start till 10. And figured since it's snowing and stuff, I'd go on in and maybe see what the sidewalks and parking lot looks like and work on them a little bit since I got something to do, and count the extra time towards tomorrow. I'll get a little more time in today than what's needed, what's required. Roads ain't terrible, but there's patches that's like right here coming up, probably from here on down the hill, going to be slippery. It's right down through here, it gets icy and fairly steep, so we'll just lay over in the middle lane till something comes. That's the problem with driving in snow up here. It ain't necessarily, you know, it don't have to be that bad to cause problems, because you head down a steep hill like this with a big curve right down here and start sliding, you're going to be over the hill. It's right in here, it always freezes up and gets slick. Got a pretty decent little snow last night. This is our first snow. About as much or more than anything we had last year. We didn't have any snow to amount to nothing, hardly. There's not a lot on the road because it was so warm, it melted off, but we probably had at least 3 inches or something on the deck, looked to me like. Plug no blew up last night. Let it, that way I'd have engine heat this morning to melt my windows off. My truck wouldn't have to run so long. Didn't do it so because it has trouble starting. I just did it so it won't have heat when I cranked up. This down this way is ice. It is slick. The wind blows across the road down through here and freezes it. I slid pretty good back there in one of them curves next to Carl Ray's. But y'all probably don't know where it's at, but got old Blue, and yeah, you can't see it. Got him in third gear, just kind of cruising along. I ain't got my hubs locked in. Didn't figure I'd need it. Hopefully it won't be too icy anywhere going uphill. Not a lot of snow, but it's slick. Trouble fish truck, if it's on tool bed on here, the front end wants to push on you. It ain't so much about getting traction, the front end wants to push and slide on you. See how that wind's, I don't know if y'all can tell, but the winds are blowing pretty good. I'd like to get a big snow this winter. Maybe a couple good sized ones, where we can get out and do some snow plowing. Oh, shove the clutch in, let her coast around this curve, it gets slick. If it's been a normal school year, we wouldn't have had school today. Today we're going in. I got mixed emotions about it. Kind of glad to go ahead and get the snow day in. My luck, I'll get up here and I'll call school off. start at 10 o'clock today, so I'll get up here early and then I'll end up calling it off and I wouldn't have had to come in at all. That's just kind of how things go with me. Pretty Christmas lights over here. Some right ahead of us. If I don't get off here. Got one out there somewhere, never used it. Too slow on this tractor for me. Alright, I'm changing oil on the blue truck. Changed the fuel filter a minute ago. It's on the other side. Kind of a pain to get to. And I deleted my fuel heater. It had cracked and started leaking. And I got an adapter to just put the filter on there without the little fuel heater element, which in our climate's okay, but now if it was colder, you might want to replace that heater element. A little tip on changing the oil filter on this thing, what I like to do, it's a pain to get in and out of there from the bottom, or it is on this truck, I think. So what I do is pull this intake tube off, go into the air filter and go ahead and take the air filter out and clean it off while I'm into it. So the only thing extra you got to take loose is the tube from the turbo, and then you can get right here to your fuel or your oil filter real easy to get it in and out of the truck. We'll show you a good way to clean a battery terminal. That thing always corrodes up. I don't know what the deal is with it. Secret solution. Coca-Cola. Look at that. Look how clean that is now. I don't know where I don't have much on it. Then just take you a bottle of water. Now just take you a bottle of water. And rinse it out. Whoop, I didn't have a camera on it good. Cleans her right up. Cleans it right up. Well, got my oil changed, air cleaner and stuff put back together. fuel filter changed. I ain't videoed none of it much. Well, y'all saw what I videoed. Mainly just telling you a few things. But hope you enjoyed the video today. It's a little different than usual, but if you will, please like the videos, subscribe to the channel, comment, and thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.